You're watching Financeable, a YouTube channel where we post finance video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download and use Trustwallet on your PC. Now, for those people who do not know, basically Trustwallet is only available for phone like Android and iOS. It's not available for PC. Now, if you want to still use it on PC, then you gotta go through some extra steps which I'm going to be teaching you. First step, since it's not available for PC, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be downloading an emulator. And what emulator lets us do is emulator lets us run phone on our PC. And once the phone runs on our PC, we can download Trustwallet on that phone that's running on our PC and use it, alright? So the extra steps is we need to download the emulator. Now I like to use BlueStacks over here. You can just search for BlueStacks and click on versus download BlueStacks. It'll take you to the download page. You can click on download BlueStacks over here, BlueStack 5, and it'll download. Once it downloads, install. Once you download and install it, it's gonna open up just like this. Now the format might not be the same, like it might be a bit fat, it might be a little bit small, like the screen size doesn't matter, right? Once it opens up just like this, what you can do is go on Play Store. Now this simulator is basically how you run your phone. Whatever you do on your phone, you can do it over here, alright? So this is Android, not iOS, alright? So just keep that in mind. Once you go on Play Store, log in into your Google Play account. I've already logged in into my account. I can click on search and write TRUST wallet. Once you search for Trustwallet, I can download it. I've already downloaded it. I just need to update it now. But once you download and install it, you can just click Trustwallet icon outside the home screen over here. Once you click on it, it's gonna open up. Now I can log in into my account and do whatever thing I want over here on my Trustwallet.
How to download Trustwallet app in Android. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Play Store app. So let's tap on this, and in top we can see this search bar over here and search for Trustwallet. Here we can see this app. Now in the right side we can see install button. Simply tap on this and it's installing. Installation process can take few minutes. We need to wait till then. So it's done. You can simply tap on this open button in the right to open the app, or we can find it in home page as well. So here it is. So here's the Trustwallet app. How to sign up in Trustwallet app. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Trustwallet. And here we can see sign up option over here. Simply tap on this. Now enter the email address. Enter a username. Now enter the password. Now click on create an account. Now to verify, let's get into email. Here we need to click on this link over here and click here to activate your account. So it's done. Click on continue to Trustwallet. So this is it. Now we are in Trustwallet interface. How to log in to Trustwallet app. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Trustwallet and click on sign up over here. Now we need to go to login option over here. Simply tap on this. Now enter your email address. And enter the password. Now click on login. So now we are in Trustwallet interface. So this is all.
How you guys can transfer BNB from Binance into your Trustwallet, alright? First step, open your Trustwallet and go on versus receive, because we want to receive on Trustwallet, alright? Once you go and receive, at the top right BNB. So the symbol of Binance coin is BNB. Now there's two type of Binance over here, but you want to choose BNB beacon chain, alright? Do not go for smart chain. If you go for smart chain thinking it's the same thing, then no, your Binance coin is gonna get lost. So make sure to click on BNB beacon chain. Once you click on it, what you want to do is it's going to show you the wallet address, alright? And the wallet address is going to be of BNB, and make sure you only transfer BNB over here. If you transfer anything else than BNB, it's going to get lost, alright? So this is it. So click and copy. Once you copy it, you want to go to Binance.com, log in into your account and go on wallet and overview. Once you go on wallet and overview over here, you want to go on the withdraw. So wait for some time until the page loads up and you are going to see the withdraw button over here, alright? Now once you see the withdraw button over here, you want to do is click on it. And it's going to take you to the withdraw section over here where it says coin. Click on it and write BNB, because that's what we are transferring, and choose BNB. Do not choose WBNB, alright? Wrapped BNB and BNB is different. We want to go for BNB only. So click on BNB and paste the address which you copied from Trustwallet. Once you paste it over here, click and confirm. Your network is going to be chosen automatically. You don't have to worry about it. where it says amount, enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Over here you can choose which wallet you want to use, spot or funding. After you choose it, click on where it says withdraw, and that amount of BNB is going to be transferred from your Binance into your Trust Wallet. How you guys can transfer Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet, alright? First step, open your Trust Wallet and go on receive, because we want to receive over here on Trust Wallet. Over here, search for Ethereum, but I don't have to search for it because it's shown over here. So I'm going to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you the wallet address of Ethereum. Once you see it, click on copy at the bottom. Now on this address, you can only send Ethereum. Do not send anything else than Ethereum. If you do it, then it's going to go to the wrong person, which means your crypto is lost. So only send Ethereum over here. So this video is for Ethereum purpose, so I'm gonna obviously show you the Ethereum one. Once you copy it, go to Binance.com and log in into your Binance account and go on wallet and go on overview. Once you go on wallet and overview, your wallet overview section will open up, and over here you want to go on the withdraw section. Now once you see withdraw over here, click on it. Once you click on it over here where it says coin, click on it. By default it's going to be Bitcoin, but since we are not transferring Bitcoin, we want Ethereum, so change it to Ethereum, and you can write ETH. So the short form of Ethereum is ETH, and you can see ETH over here. Click on it. Once you click on it where it says address, paste the address which you just copied from your Trust Wallet. Once you paste it over here where it says network, you can choose the network. Since we are transferring Ethereum, we are going to choose ETH over here. Once you choose it where it says amount, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send. After you enter the amount, you can choose which wallet you want to use, because in Binance there's two types of wallets, spot and funding. So choose which wallet you want to use to transfer ETH and click on withdraw. After this, it's gonna ask you for some verification codes, so like complete the security process. After you complete the security process, your Ethereum will be transferred from Binance to Trust Wallet. Alright, how you guys can transfer crypto from Metamask to Trust Wallet? First step, you want to open your Trust Wallet. After you open your Trust Wallet, you want to choose the crypto which you're transferring. Alright, so for this video's purpose, we're going to be using Ethereum, so I'm going to choose Ethereum over here. And I'm going to click on where it says receive, because in Trust Wallet we want to receive the crypto, we don't want to send it from Trust Wallet. So you want to choose receive and click on copy. Now what you just did is you just copied the wallet address of Ethereum. Now you can only send Ethereum in this address. If you send anything else than Ethereum, it's going to get lost, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so once you copy it, you want to go to your Metamask. Now once you go to your Metamask, what you want to do is choose the crypto which you're transferring. So I'm transferring Ethereum, so I'm going to choose Ethereum over here, and over here where it says send, click on send. Over here paste the address which you just copied. Alright, now once you paste your address over here, if it is an Ethereum address, you're going to get the green tick mark. Once you click on next, over here enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send. So I want to send 1 Ethereum, and I click on where it says next. So since I don't have enough Ethereum on my Metamask, I cannot go on the next step, but after this step it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to transfer it? Click and confirm. The transfer will happen. It might take 10 to 1 hour because it's Ethereum, so it's a bit slow, so wait for some time and a transaction will happen. Alright, how you guys can transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Metamask? So both of them are wallets, so you guys can transfer from one to another and another to another. Alright, so you can cross transfer between these two. First step, you want to open your Metamask and you want to choose the crypto which you want to transfer. So for this video's purpose, I'm going to choose Ethereum, so I'm going to choose Ethereum over here and click on receive. And I can click on versus copy over here at the bottom. Now you can only send Ethereum on this address. If you send anything else than Ethereum, it's going to be lost, so just keep that in mind. Alright, once you copy it, you want to close your Metamask and open your Trust Wallet. So I'm going to enter my password here over real quick. Now after you open your Trust Wallet, you want to choose the crypto which you want to transfer. So in my case, I want to transfer Ethereum, so I'm going to choose Ethereum over here. And if you don't see your crypto over here which you want to transfer, you can always click on send over here at the top and search for it. Alright, but since it's over here, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on send. Once you come over here where it says paste, click on paste, and your address which you just copied from your Metamask will be pasted over here automatically. And over here enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send. So let's say I want to send 1 Ethereum. I click on next at the top right corner, and it's going to bring me to this page over here where it's going to confirm my transaction. So since I don't have enough Ethereum, it says top up Ethereum at the bottom, but if I had enough Ethereum on my wallet, I could have just clicked on transfer, and the transfer would have happened and my Ethereum would have been transferred from Trust Wallet to Metamask. And it might take 1 or 2 hours because Ethereum is a bit slow to transfer, so you need to wait for a bit of time. Alright, and it should work. So yeah, that's how we guys can transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Metamask. We basically showed you Ethereum as an example, but you can do the same step for different crypto. Alright, how you guys can connect your PancakeSwap to Trust Wallet. So it's pretty simple. Trust Wallet is a wallet, PancakeSwap is a DApp, also known as a browser, DApp, so you can easily do it. So I'm gonna show you the steps on how you guys can do that. first step, you can go to the browser of your Trust Wallet, and over here at the top you can search for PancakeSwap. Search for it. Once you search for it, it's going to use DuckDuckGo to search for it. DuckDuckGo is a browser, and over here click on PancakeSwap.finance. It's going to take you to its official website. Now over here you can click and connect, and once you see the wallet icon at the top, it means your Trust Wallet has connected with PancakeSwap. Now you can start doing trading or anything in PancakeSwap. But let's say you don't have the browser feature on your Trust Wallet. What you can do is the other way to connect to PancakeSwap is by using your phone's browser. So I'm going to use my Safari browser over here and go to PancakeSwap, and at the top click and connect. Click on Wallet Connect, and over here I'm going to click on Trust. My Trust Wallet is going to open up automatically. I'm going to enter my Trust Wallet password over here and click and connect, and my Trust Wallet should be connected. And if it doesn't connect for some reason, make sure to retry it. Sometimes due to some kind of problem, it doesn't connect at the first try, so make sure to keep on trying and it should work. How you guys can transfer Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. First step, you want to go to Trust Wallet. After you go to Trust Wallet, click on Ethereum over here. Once you click on Ethereum, click on Receive and click on versus copy over here. We just copied the wallet address of Ethereum. Now make sure you only send Ethereum in this address, because if you send anything else than Ethereum, it's gonna be lost, alright? So just keep that in mind. After you copy that, go to Binance and go on wallets on your Binance. And over here you want to choose funding or spot. So let's say my Ethereum is on spot. I'm going to choose spot, and I'm going to click on withdraw over here. Once you click on withdraw, at the top you want to write ETH. So the symbol of Ethereum is ETH, and you can see Ethereum over here, which is right below Ethereum Classic. The one with the blue icon is Ethereum. Click on it and click on versus send via crypto network. Over here paste the address which you just copied. So I'm going to paste the address which I just copied from my Trust Wallet. And versus network, make sure to choose Ethereum network. You can also choose BNB network, but I like to choose Ethereum, so I'm going to click and confirm. Versus amount, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. After you enter the amount, over here versus of high level, you want to choose in which account or like which wallet is your crypto stored at. So let's say my Ethereum is in spot, I'm going to choose spot. If my Ethereum is in funding, I'm going to choose funding. Alright, so let's say it's on spot, I click on spot, and at the bottom you can see the grayed out withdraw button. So if I had enough Ethereum on my account, this withdraw button would have been yellow, and I could just click on it, and the amount of Ethereum I wrote over here is going to be transferred from my Binance to my Trust Wallet account. How you guys can transfer crypto from your Trust Wallet to Coinbase. Alright, so I've opened my Coinbase account over here on my mobile phone. You can easily download Coinbase app from Play Store or App Store, and I have also downloaded Trust Wallet over here. Alright, so make sure you open both of this side by side, Coinbase and Trust Wallet. But first open Trust Wallet. Just make sure you're on home and scroll a bit down, and you can see the receive section. Click on it, and on the receive section what you want to do is search for the crypto which you want to receive over here. Alright, so I click on I understand. So this is basically where it says Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin, and over here on search you want to write the crypto which you want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer, let's say for an example I'm gonna choose Ethereum. So I'm gonna write Ethereum, and I choose Ethereum over here. Once I click on it, I can click on copy. Once you get copied over here, you're good to go. Now open Trust Wallet and click on Ethereum, because that's what we are transferring. And over here click on send and paste the address which you just copied from your Coinbase. And over here enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, and click on next at the top right corner. And on the next step, it's going to take you to the transfer confirmation page. Over here at the bottom it says top up Ethereum for me, because I don't have enough Ethereum on my account. But if I had 1 Ethereum, I could just click on transfer, and the transfer is going to happen from my Trust Wallet to my Coinbase account. Alright, so it's that simple to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. I showed Ethereum as an example, but you can choose whichever crypto you want. Alright, just make sure the address which you copied of is the one you're sending. You can't send Bitcoin in Ethereum or any other crypto in the Ethereum address. It's gonna get lost. It's basically like you saying you're trying to transfer money into the American Express Bank, but you're using the account number of your Standard Union Bank. It's not gonna work. The money is gonna be sent to Standard Union Bank and another person's account, so don't try to do that. Alright, how you guys can delete or clear your cache in Trust Wallet. And I'm also going to be telling you guys what happens when you delete or clear your cache in Trust Wallet, because you guys should know what your action is going to lead to. Alright, now to delete your cache, you can simply go to setting and go on versus preferences and go on browser and click on clear browser cache. Click on OK. Now what this is going to do is this is going to delete your browsing data, which means just like in your Google Chrome you have browser history, you have browser history on your Trust Wallet as well. Once you do that, your Trust Wallet browsing history will be cleared, as well as all the stuff like let's say I've connected with Osmos, Kava, Cosmos, all these websites, and I have connected my wallet to these websites. What this is going to do is this is going to deconnect or like disconnect my wallet, which means my Trust Wallet from these website. So if I was doing any transaction in this website and I did clear cache browser, the transaction is going to be cancelled and my wallet will be disconnected instantly. That's what it also does. And do not worry, by delete, it's just not going to delete all of this. All right, by delete, it just means like it's going to remove your browsing history just like that. So in iPhone, you cannot browse like anywhere else rather than these selected few website. But if you guys have like an Android version of Trust Wallet, then you guys might know the app function, which means you can search for other websites rather than this website. So in iPhone, you're limited to these websites, whereas in Android version of Trust Wallet, the browsing history is limitless. You can search for anything you want. The thing just needs to be there. All right. So that's how we guys can delete or clear your cache in Trust Wallet. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and bye bye.